Barbecue fam, today we're making up a butterfly pork butt. Oh hell yeah, on the Weber 26 with the XL SNS. Oh hell yeah. Boneless pork butt, butterfly it, season it, let it set for a little bit, sweat out, and then we're gonna get it on the Weber 26 with that slow and sear basket, indirect cooking with some cherry wood chunks and just your basic Kingsford charcoal. Yeah, hit it with a binder if you like. Mine still is out of the defrost for about 4 days now. Coming in with some Cosmos SPG and Dirty Bird. The purpose of the butterfly is to get double the bark. Let this side sweat in for about 10 minutes, flip it, repeat the process. Why I like to season up on butcher paper is so all the excess you can just roll up onto your sides of whatever protein you're cooking, especially ribs. This works great. So we got the Weber 26 with the XL SNS basket lit up with some cherry wood chunks and some Kingsford charcoal. We're getting it up to 275. We're going to put this butterfly pork butt in and we're going to roll it until we are pull apart tender. You can wrap it to speed things up, but I think 5 to 6 hours we should be able to nail 205 internal temperature. So let's get it on. First cook is going down on the Weber 26 with the SNS extra large basket. That fits a lot of charcoal. Oh hell yeah. Dial in your temps, hold it 275. 4 hours in, no peak. Let's see what we've got going on. Ooh-wee. Still got more to go. Double the bark. That's looking amazing. 167 to 189, 190-ish in certain parts. Looking awesome. Let's go in and take a look at that charcoal in the basket to see how much we have left after 4 hours running 275 to 290, bouncing around in that range. The bark is awesome. The charcoal basket still has a good 2 to 3 hours left in it to finish off this cook. And I think we're going to only be about another 2 hours. So about a 6 hour cook here. We'll see where we're at in another 2. No spritz, no wrap, just a butterflied pork butt. Oh hell yeah. So we're 5.5 hours in. Change of plans. We're going to throw it in a pan and cover it because we're only temping like still 160-ish after a couple hours. So we got to speed this up, throw it in a pan and cover it. We're going for bark. Check that out. Ho, 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 ho. I mean, come on. Holy. That's badass. Go get yourself some. Easily done. I was getting a little worried on this cook. I had to add fuel. 5 hours in. And we went 7 hours. But I threw it into a pan, covered in foil. 0 spritz, 0 liquids. This came out amazing. The bark is crazy. Crazy good. Simple and amazing. You guys got to try this out. Cosmos SPG and Dirty Bird. Oh, hell yeah. This is a winner. And sandwiches, tacos, whatever you want, or just by itself. That's rocking. We're eating real good. I'm not a fan of the boneless pork butt. And if you get one, Butterflied. Double your bark. This is awesome. Killer. Oh, hell yeah.